Okay. So we've heard about building relationships on social media. And I know, my friend, that you want more customers and more clients. We're going to talk about this. But how do you do that? And how do you do it effectively on social media so that it truly builds relationships and never feels icky? Hello, my friend. It is Bridget Brady, the founder and CEO of the full service online marketing agency Amp Up My Biz, the creator of the Social Media Success Academy, and the author of the #1 international best-selling book, Jobs to Jammies. Welcome to the Amp Up My Biz social media 10-minute training. Okay, so today I'm going to give you count them, four specific strategies to help you build stronger relationships with your customers and clients on social. Customers and building relationships. Okay, so #1, and I actually learned this first from one of my mentors, Mr. Larry Broughton. I want you to start thinking about customers. I want you to change that to clients. That is the first little paradigm shift I want you to make to start really building those relationships. Customers are transactional, clients are relational, right? Clients are long term. Customers, right? Get those customers in the door, those dollars in the door. So, #1, just shift that paradigm. #2, right? That's a big one. You do that alone. You've got some good mojo, some good collateral in your toolbox. All right, #2, value, 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 and then some value. What is the right mix of content that adds value versus asking? And I feel like as business owners, and I get you because I am you, right? I get you because I am you. I feel like as business owners, we want to promote our stuff, right? We want to sell our products and our services and our classes and our workshops and. Of course we do. But the trick to building relationships, you've heard this, people buy people, not products, right? So the trick to building a relationship that is as authentic as this can be, right? One of the tricks is giving as much value as you can. As a super, super short and easy rule for you to follow, 75 to 90% of the content you post on social simply adds value to your audience. Then 10 to 25% of your content can ask and can promote. All right, #3 on the hit parade. I have to check my notes. Yeah, I have to check my notes. All right, yeah, listen. Listen. So when you're on social, it can be this beautiful dance. It can be this beautiful interaction where you're like, this is my mission and my vision and my hopes and my dreams and my products and my services. And when people engage with you, whether that's going live, hey, what's up? Whether that's going live, or whether that's your memes or your videos or your reels and on and on and on, when people engage with you, when they like content, do more of that content, right? When they come in and ask questions, answer those questions. And I don't even necessarily mean, yes, in the moment, here's the answer. But when you're seeing a lot of the same thoughts and questions in sort of the social media zeitgeist, find ways to go live, create blogs, create vlogs, create videos to specifically answer your audience. They kind of feel it. Okay. They kind of feel it. And what I mean by that is if a lot of people are asking you about how to create relationships on social or about keywords and hashtags, right? This is my industry, about running ads on social media. And you're just you're like, yeah, like, comment. It doesn't feel like you're really invested in them. Like really listen and then really think, how can I create more value, more freebies or more tripwire products or more products that answer that problem, right? That solve that problem. And then #4, my sweet friend, No one is as you as you. Here's what I mean by this. Again, like I said, people by people, not products. Bring your authentic self. Bring it to your social media. Bring your heart and bring your soul and bring your comedy and bring your shy, right? Bring your authentic self to social media because guess what? There are a million. There's right. It's a wide swath. There are a million people who do what you do. Right? There are 8 billion people on the planet. 5 billion of them are on social media. There are a million people who do what you do. There are a million people who have your same products or services. There are a million this, right? All these things. There is no one as you as you. But everything you put on social needs to be congruent with your brand and relevant to your audience, and do a little gut check. Do a little gut check on your social. Is it you? Is it real? And especially when you're doing your videos, when you're going live, yes, it's the best version of you, right? I did not come on this camera rolled out of bed, right? Not warmed up with my hair in a chip clip, like peeping out, like, hey, you guys, I'm having my first coffee, right? I didn't come here that way, but bring your personality and your heart and your soul, and people will feel it because everything is energy. Everything is energy. All right, so quick recap on our 4 strategies, and they sound simple, right? Simple to do, simple not to do. They sound so simple. So 1, customers, out of your verbiage, right? Clients. That's number 1. Number 2, yes, I'm looking at my notes. Number 2, value. Give, 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 give. Give so much value that when people are ready when people are ready to purchase, they're excited to purchase from you. All right, number 3, listen. Listen to your audience. See what they have to say and give them more of what they want. And then number 4, bring your heart. Bring your heart to your business and see what happens.